This is huge.
阿木家要宰杀牦牛了，想请朋友们过来阿木家里帮帮按按腿呀什么的，欢迎大家都过来打个卡。
Amu, a girl from Songpan, Sichuan, has turned the traditional Tibetan winter custom into an online wine yak feast that everyone can join. And guess what? Over 300 netizens actually rushed all the way from Chengdu by high-speed rail and by car. The meat is carved fresh, the soup is simmered for hours, and the drinks keep flowing. Want an immersive taste of a Tibetan-style one winter? This winter, you are more than welcome to just drop into Songpan.